So some of you asked me what I do to earn a living. What, you think I don't get a living from Music is Win? I mean, I have millions of video views and thousands of guitar students. What are you trying to say? No, I'm just kidding. I do not make a living from Music is Win. One of the things I do is I have a production company called Mindfire Productions, and I'll put the link in the description if you want to check out some of the videos that I produce. But right now I'm meeting a client in downtown Asheville. I'll check in with you guys when I'm out of there. It's kind of cold out here. I always think these are people. Freaks me out every time. So I just got out of the meeting and it went great, but the only bad news is my wife Bethany, somebody ran into the back of her car while she was sitting at a stoplight, and so she's okay, which is great, but I gotta go over there and I guess pick her up, because I don't know what state the car is in, but stuff like this happens, kind of makes you reflect on just what's important. Running around, going to meetings, making these vlogs, playing the guitar, none of it really matters when you get a phone call and somebody's like, I was in a car accident or something else terrible. This is as dark as this vlog will ever get, but cherish the people that you love. I love Bethany. She's the best person I've ever known. I'm just really glad she's okay. There it is, folks. Is the hood open?
What if it doesn't close?
As you can see, I opened the hood like a fool, the trunk rather, and it now does not close, just like Bethany said it wouldn't. So I'm dumb. After you get in a car wreck, you need a little comfort food and comfort drink. Isn't that right? She's doing just fine. Look at this awesome table. It's all old comics. I like this one. So I'm going to show you a finger picking technique that I really love using. It's very straightforward, but if you haven't used it before, it can really make an impact on your playing, and it can inspire you in new ways. So I usually use it when I'm noodling around with chords to kind of give them a different sound than I would normally just strumming them. I usually use this technique when I'm working on different chord progressions for songwriting, but you can use it in any way you see fit. Here's what it looks like. So here's a chord progression. And then repeat. So E minor, E flat diminished 7, D minor 9, G sus to G dominant, C major 7, C dominant 7, F major, and then cycle it. So here's a fingerstyle technique that you can use to accentuate those chords. I'm doing with the right hand is T1, T2, T3, T2. T is thumb, 1, 2, 3. So I'm throwing a couple little variations in there, but the main idea is that consistent pattern. I'll slow that down. Obviously those are just example chords, but you can use this pattern over anything you want to. It'll make your chords sound a little different than maybe you're used to playing them. And I find when I learn a new technique like this fingerstyle move, it inspires me in different ways, so I might write a song that I never would have written without it. So I hope this technique finds you well, and let me know in the comments if you like this kind of thing, little tutorial section, and maybe I'll do another one soon.
So we have here, this girl's doing a vlog, and
This girl,
what?
she has a name.
Oh, Gina.
Yeah.
Gina on.
Don't act like we don't worship her.
No, I know who she is. Okay, look at it. Look at this. This girl Gina is about to ask Siri what the weather is, and this is my wife, who is very beautiful.
Has no makeup on.
But look at her phone. Okay, ready? And Siri is supposed to only respond to her voice. Okay, so let's check this.
It's sunny out and I'm going to go for a jog, but it's freezing. Let me see. What temperature is it? Hey Siri, what's the weather outside? It's probably so cold.
It doesn't look too nice today.
Sorry, there's no weather
Down to 27 degrees.
Whatever.
Looks
the
like it's
heck?
gonna be pretty
Today was
cold
no
tomorrow
help.
through January 29,
It's 28
2016.
degrees
with a low of
outside.
Do I sound
That's
like her?
pretty.